Hello, this is Linda Watson with the Web Strategy team. I'm the Web Technology Manager and I'm with Strategic Marketing. In this short video, we're going to upload a PDF into the Cascade system and then link it into a page. As you can see, I'm already here. I'm in my Rollins folder, Internet. I went to Rollins training. I clicked on my Watson Linda folder, and in a previous assignment we have created an images folder and a documents folder. I think it's best practices to have a documents folder and place all your PDFs and Word documents into that folder. The first thing we're going to do is click on the folder where we want to place the PDF, which is Documents. We go up to the blue bar to New. And in this case, Rollins Training, it may say your department. We're going to File. And when it opens, it allows us to browse out for our PDF. Now, upon browsing out, we'll find it, and usually your PDFs will have that PDF symbol there. And we'll just open that. Now, when uploading a PDF to the system, make sure you have named it correctly beforehand, and that's all small letters, using either underscores or hyphens if you do need spaces, but please do not put any spaces in. If you notice at the top, we have a green bar. It says our asset was created successfully. If you had not followed the naming conventions that I had just suggested, you will have a red bar that says error at the top. And if you do have any questions or concerns about any errors that you may receive in the Cascade system, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can see that this PDF did come in. We see a view of it. Now, to attach this to the page, we go back to our pages, and I'll have to click on my Watson Linda folder because I cannot see my pages yet. And I am going to go to Index. And when that page comes up, I'm going to click the Edit right up here, the Edit button. And that will allow me to edit the text in the button. I'm just going to use some text that's already in the WYSIWYG. I'm going to highlight it. And you're going to notice that we're going to follow the same thing that we did before in making a link. So I'm just going to highlight the text that I might want here. And just like we had made the link to another page or an outside external link, we go to the link button. Up pops a dialog box. We can go and find that PDF by clicking on the brackets. Now the PDF, since it was just uploaded, we can find it under History here at the top. Now if we had uploaded it on a previous login into the system, it's not going to be under History. So then you would have to go to Rollins, Internet, and your folder, and then find your Documents folder wherever the PDF is and click on it. But we're going to use the History tab here. And here's our PDF right here. So we just click on that. We confirm that that is indeed the PDF we want. Now, an exception here is you may want your PDF to come up into a new window. So in Target, in the drop-down box, you can select New Window. That way, a new tab will appear or a new window, depending on how the user has their browser set up. And then they will not lose your web page. It will be right beside them. So they can always go back after reading the PDF. Now, a second thing to do is just to go ahead and look and confirm that yes, this is the PDF you want to link to. And then we simply go to Insert right down here. Now, after we click Insert, we will scroll to the bottom underneath the WYSIWYG, and we will select Submit. And this again submits it only to the Cascade server. It's not published, it's not out on the web anywhere, it's only in the Cascade server. And an example of your page should come up with the link as soon as it submits. And you will be able to test your link in Cascade. So as soon as the link comes up, you'll be able to test it. And again, just as a reminder, PDFs along with images cannot have any spaces in the name, should be all small letters, use either underscores or better yet hyphens. Now by clicking on the link that I made, it will go out and find the PDF, and as you can see it's loading it. It'll load it up here and a new window has appeared at the top as it loads. And as that's loading, I'm just going to conclude by saying if you have any concerns or questions, do not hesitate to contact the web strategy team, or you can email me at lmwatson@rollins.edu and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And up comes that PDF. And you should always test your links. And that concludes this short video.